You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, yeah, definitely I'm gonna be the first to know. In this review, we have a lot to talk about because dancehall artist Teejay, the up top boss himself, yeah, did an interview with Sun City, and you know Teejay explained what go on between him and ROMEICH. A matter of fact, you know, Teejay even hinted us that probably he might change his name. People, stay tuned for that. We are going to talk about that. But for now, we want to kick it off with this story. Uber is officially in Jamaica, and yes, people, me never necessarily found about this story through the Jamaica Observer because all day today the Jamaica Observer Instagram page was offline simply because they got hacked. People, me no know how Smaddy managed for a big Jamaica Observer page with 566,000 followers. Anyway, by the time of making this video, they are back online. So people, the entire Jamaica are react towards, you know, Uber being in Jamaica. Watch this skit by Jamaican comedian Dale.
So me a scroll from my timeline and see Jamaica get Uber. So you see all them robot taxi they will drive bad? Bye. Me can't wait till me come off at the airport and call a Uber Jamaica. Me sure know say Uber I go eradicate out all of the wicked taxi man them. All like taxi man them with 1,000 ticket. Bye. All like private taxi company them were charged with too much money. Bye. Right now more I forgot tech for themselves. On time, when never used to on time. Bye. El Shaddai. El Shaddai. I cannot believe they start to my country nice. A full time now we put the Teejay and the Axio them to work. And you know say Uber Luxury got to be Markex. When you when me call me Uber Luxury and a pyro come pick make me feel like the Prime Minister. So you see all that scammer them out there when I chop and make the money. Just drive a Uber me G with the Markex. Luxury. Let me tell you about the Uber. Take up be a passenger. So me go so pick her up at airport.
Alright, put all fun and games aside right now. I don't know if this ride sharing thing is going to work in Jamaica. You see me, because you know Jamaica culture kind of different, and then there's this issue between PPV or white plate taxi, meaning red plate, white plate taxi. Would it be the services be offered to white plate taxi? I don't know. I guess the government them are try sort out that something there. And then there's this issue about, you know, Uber run off with all of the money and I go back a foreign. Well, I don't know, you know, but me just keep my viewers and listeners up to date. So I downloaded the app, went on it, check it out. On a point of information, I never used this app before. First time I use the app here, and it's pretty easy to install and thing. So the fares, let me give you an idea on what the fares are like. So for example, if you want a car from Portmore Mall to the Normal Manley International Airport, that would cost approximately 1,598 Jamaican dollars. Now people, I don't know if the rate they are going to change or not like that, you know, because that is pretty cheap. If you call a on-time or a nice and easy for do a regular airport drop from Portmore, I know say it's going to run like probably 5-6 grand somewhere there, and they are just charging approximately $1,600 right there. So you see me, so them are going good. If you need one from Portmore Mall to Ocherias now, that will cost you about $4,245. I don't know if I don't know if Uber quite figure it out yet, you know, or if them are gonna take the toll or anything like that, you know, because the toll alone is like 2 grand back and forth. So I don't know people. Me just a report for what me see. Now, if you need a cab from Portmore Mall to Montego Bay, that is going to run you $9,885. Now I don't know how much is it to charter a cab from Portmore to Montego Bay. So I could like compare prices, but I definitely know say it a gonna be more than that. Now everybody know I am living in Port Antonio. What if I want a cab from Port Antonio to Kingston? When I open my Uber app and try to, get a cab from Port Antonio, it says, unfortunately, Uber is currently unavailable in your area. Jano. People, Uber right now is only available to the Kingston users or persons in the Kingston metropolitan area. Now, people, remember I said earlier on, I could get a cab from Portmore Mall to Montego Bay. So I guess if you're in the Kingston metropolitan area and want a cab to go to, let's say, country, anyway, outside Kingston, the app will allow you to book that cab. But I guess if you are outside of Kingston, wanted to come in to Kingston, it not gonna work. Me no know. Anyway, people, let me know in the comment section about Uber. Will you be using this ride sharing app? You think say this is something positive for Jamaica? You feel say full time now them taxi money really get some decent competition? Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. We're moving on. Dancehall artist Tarrus Riley is mourning the loss of his sister Jaffa Joy Riley Douglas. The artist took it to Instagram to announce that his sister has passed away. And people, remember earlier on in the review we spoke about one of Jamaica's leading print media, the Jamaica Observer, Instagram account got hacked. Now people, the same exact thing nearly reached Tarrus Riley. Tarrus Riley took it to his Instagram story to, vent over the whole situation because Tarrus Riley upset, for no say him have a sister will pass away, but yet still unscrupulous people try hack him account. Tarrus Riley took it to Instagram stories to vent about the issue with this post. Some BBC wicked people try take away my Instagram. Look like we're up and running again. Thank you for rocking with me and always supporting the vibes. Honestly, it is the worst time in my family life. My little sister has passed and we are going through it. It's rough. Thank you all, the well wishes and support. So people, wanna just keep Tarrus Riley, Mr. Sing himself, in your prayers. And Tarrus Riley, my condolences goes out, alright? I hope say the family and everybody take it easy. You know what I mean? Life goes on. Now people, we are gonna move on to the last topic of this review. Dancehall artist Teejay, the up top boss, did a recent interview where he explained or tried to explain, what really take place between him and ROMEICH. Even though the interviewer kinda, asked him about the question and kinda asked him, well, me think if it is a other person still, they would have gone more direct. But I guess probably, them talk about it off here and say, yo, you what? That topic there, not too pressure it. Anyway, TJ kinda explained said there's no bad blood between him and ROMEICH, and a matter of fact, him and ROMEICH good and him wish blessings and prosperity upon ROMEICH. TJ also mentioned the possibility of a name change and also talks about his upcoming album Rags to Riches, which is set to be released sometime in August. People, sit back and watch this live. We're gonna try edit it as small as possible. Alright, so pre one.
Right now, I'm not even itching, bro. Everybody wanna know you're sporting a new look right now. Weight loss, new haircut.
Yeah.
Yo, it's a new look, it's a new TJ, it's a new up top boss. Up to this morning, this up being post and say, yo, what go on? They keep putting you on the internet alongside Octane saying the two artists lose weight and change up them image and everything. What motivated TJ to do this?
Well, this is dancehall, And over the years, we watch the greatest, and we realize that they never stuck one place like light posts. You get me? You have to change up the thing. Yeah, they want to figure it. You have to change up the thing. You see me, you can't just one thing. And what you're comfortable with at the same time. So you have to just do what you please with, you see me?
Which is
Yeah,
right.
man. I just a different vibes. At 10 years now, me I grow me here now. That's like
Yeah.
a decade now, so just feel like I want to make a change now, different. You see me?
Yeah. Let's make
Yeah,
a change. Upgrade.
yeah, man. Upgrade the thing.
Nothing wrong with that, my brother. So
Mm-hmm.
you change up your look. You last week got a new haircut. And right now you have a whole camp. You have artists.
True.
You're doing things on a new level right now. You have a label. You sign
Yeah.
new management. Tell us about this. Tell us about the new moves that you've been making.
Well, as them saying a shatter before, you can't be a baby forever. You know? We have to grow up, bro. You see me? So I just
Yes,
levers. We have to try every year. Me have accomplishment when me try to complete every year. Me have things when me try. Me have goals that when me try to achieve every year in a life. You get me, bro? So this year me just try to achieve a lot of things, and just that me I stay focused on right now. You get me? We have to move. We have to graduate. We have to level up the thing. You see me? And that's that me I
which
do
is
right
right.
now, bro. Yeah, man.
Change your game.
Yeah, bro, God.
The Up Top Boss, you have a lot of new tracks. Let's talk about one of them real quick. You have a new song called Trust out
Yeah,
by
bad stuff.
Chimney Records.
Jordan.
Tell us about this track. What inspired this track? Because I'm not gonna say it, but people are trying to mix up the whole thing. But just tell me what really brought this song about, and how is this
Yeah,
song
me have to
doing
make the people
on
them
the
know same
platforms?
way people. There's no bad vibes between me and ROMEICH Entertainment. Never. You get me? So I don't want to not feel like them song we are drop word for each other and anything. And nothing like that. Me ROMEICH Entertainment good and my brother. You get me?
Nothing like that, because you just drop a track with ROMEICH.
Yeah, so we have to make the people them know the thing. You see me? We know the drama. We not like the drama thing. I'm a drama person. I'm a liberal man.
Yeah,
I'm kind of different. I'm humble. You see me? We not do the drama thing. So trust song now. Every day we see trust them thing are happening in the street. Every day we see friend kill friend. Friend sell out friend. Even mother sell out son. Son sell out father. All of them things. The father kill son. So the song, you can just listen to it and all the vibes are fighting everywhere, bro.
which is right. It's relatable to everyday things that's happening right now in the world, in Jamaica.
Real talk.
Um, Talk about your reggae song on the Rising Point rhythm, because they're not used to Teejay doing. They're not used to the reggae side of Teejay.
Yeah.
We see a new side of Teejay. He's doing even reggae right now.
Well, we need some of the Europe fan base now, And we have to do song for older people can hold the vibes to. Because most artists like me do song for people from 13 to 35. You know the average numbers so far.
Yes,
You know.
of
So
course. Yeah.
we have to do song for people from 35 to 50 now and 60 now and them things. So everybody can hold the vibes to a song. Your mother can listen to my
Yes.
song. Daddy, grandpa can say, yo, that youth are bad and you can sing. So our music, as me say, it has no boundary, bro. We have to just sing. We have to just sing.
Facts. So
Yeah,
so what does the
we are
feed?
Kansas
What does
City
the
right now.
feedback? Kansas City.
Yeah,
What has the
Kansas
feedback
right
been
now.
like so far with both songs? You touching a reggae song and you doing a trust song. What has the feedback been like so far?
It's great, bro. I swear to you, 'cause you don't know. Artists have them fans, so for you sing good music for your fans, it's like them not have a problem with what you're doing. You have to just sing music.
Yeah.
So,
So
yeah, good feedback.
we could talk about the excitement now. Make we let it out the box. The album dropping soon. Please
Yeah,
tell us
Rock
when the
Surface.
album is coming out. We need to know what's going on with the album. Who's on the album? We see you posting some rappers.
Yeah.
Yo, the thing crazy. But no,
Well,
tell
me
me.
not really. Well, at this point, we only have one international collab on the album, which me know it going to do great, bro. Trust me, you see me? We can't even tell you who yet, but we have some great artists on this album here. The album also show unity same way. It going to show growth
Yes.
in my career. It going to just show say I'm not just a regular artist. We are trying to create a legend. They make it, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so this body of
Hard work.
this show. Yeah, it's going to show whole heap of growth in the Teejay career.
What is out of curiosity, I see you with Timbaland. Has Timbaland
Yeah.
produced any tracks on the album?
Well, Timbaland was just listening the album and just giving us advice how to approach the thing. You get me, bro? Which, trust me, we did really grateful for the opportunity there, bro. It's like, come on, I think Timberland also sit down in there, bro. Yeah,
For even talk to one of the
dog, you know
greatest
the
of
way
all time, Timberland.
all if the produce a song for
Awesome.
my album, bro. Me good. You understand? The motivation alone, bro. You can remember we dream for this day, you know, bro, and we see it happen now, you know, so the motivation
It
alone,
must
bro.
have
Me
been a
alright.
great feeling to be in a
Yes,
room with.
family. Yes, bro.
Yes.
Don't you have to meet people, you know, bro. You have to
Wow.
go out here, you know, bro. You have
Jamaicans.
to see new faces, you know. Yeah, bro. But the album
Yes.
bad, man. The album bad. We have bad artists on the album, man. You have Rygan King on the album. You have Skillibeng on the album. You have Jada Kingdom. You have Dexter. Some bad artists on the album, bro. Trust me, I have like Afrobeat, Joanna, them
Yeah.
with them. Some bad artists, bro. Rock's album. You know, Rock's is the leading song from the album right now. Same way,
Rockstar
bro.
Riches. Yeah.
Yeah, from
A big
Rockstar
tune.
Riches, the album. Yeah, we have the bad producer them on the album, same way. Damage Music, Slingers, whole heap of bad producer. My label, same way. Top Brass
So,
Music, whole heap of bad producer.
all right.
Album a
So
drop,
your label now
album a
is
drop
what's
anytime in
your
a
label?
Top Brass Music, my
Top
label. Produce
Brass
some bad
Music.
song, even the song with me and Vibes Cartel, and me produce the song the same way. Song with me and Aisha, and me produce the song. Song with me and Shensi, a car seat, me produce that song same way. Enough song produce, bro.
Crazy. So we can't get a little even 5 seconds. Give us something fresh. We not see Teejay in a long time. Teejay they are foreign picture post. Yo, who are you the artist? Even a little 5 seconds. Right now, Kansas City. Yo, Jamaica watching, Jamaica listening.
You go out with it.
We're live right now, 104.9 FM. The thing up. Now, energy.
Yo, that's cool. Let's see
Give me a piece of one of the new thing them. I'm an artist. Give me a piece of the new song there. Cause the album soon jump. Yo, the one radio station excited, bro.
Yeah, Steve Natak.
Yeah, Steve not talk right now. Keep working, Steve.
Big fat my taking out the lucky. Squaddy, I try stop me car, Mr. Watch it. Hey, hey. I great weed, it a go through me. Hey, hey, hey. Little more is a foot, girl in my bed. Hey, hey. We got weed and money. We got weed and money. We got weed and money. Hey, hey. You see me? Yeah, man, bro. Some different thing, bro. Man.
We got
vocal, just a
awesome.
thing. Hook, you see me? Melody, you see me? Where people can remember tomorrow. Say, yeah, that you are bad.
Go on. The energy right.
Yeah,
Everything will go on good. We can't wait for the album. Did you tell us when this album is dropping? From
anytime in
Boss.
August.
Did you tell us when this album is dropping?
The album. Watch out, we get the album anytime in August. But I drop the first.
August.
Yeah, we drop the first song off fight this month. This month we drop the first song. In this month we
This
drop
month.
the first song off fight. Yeah, in this month we drop the first song off of the album.
All right. So remind the listeners where they can go on the platforms to go and catch these tracks that you're about to drop, the Spotify, the Instagram, everywhere. Just give them a quick reminder so they can make sure that they're online and they're following up the thing.
Yeah, man, everything. Pandora, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, everything. Audio Mac, everything. See me? SoundCloud, everything you can think of, bro. And I roll the album about the pan, bro. You see me? Remember the first album, you know, bro, so we have to just work, bro. At the first album, so we have to just work. We not go. I believe in it, bro. I always believe in anything I do, bro. And anything I do it from my heart, bro. You get me, so if it for reach Billboard, if it for reach somewhere, just know say I work where I work, bro. When I sit down and get up about Billboard album, this album, a rare album, I will just know say, hey, work where I work towards something, bro. And we are go for that. Not just me, but me and my fans, them. You get me?
Yes. Well, your fans believe
Yeah,
in you, my brother. So it's just to work, as you say. Keep singing those melodies. Keep singing those hit songs. Keep doing good music. Keep working hard. And the ladies love the stage show vibes when they perform. Why, man, I tell
Yeah,
you, he's a
the
real
ladies them, you know.
entertainer, brother. Big up yourself.
Oh yeah, say man, bro, God, man. We entertain people. We're not just the artists, you know. We have to know to make people
Bro.
laugh, people enjoy themselves and feel like, you know, them a part of what we
Yo,
do. Yeah?
listen to me. Any show with you and Dexter on the show, me not carry my girl.
No, me not carry my girl.
Yeah, and
Dexter,
Dexter, yo, the rough it up. We're not gonna take her. Big up Teejay, the Up Top Boss people. We're live right now. Philadelphia, bigging you up. Zuki Trucking, bigging you up. Delaware, shouting out to the Up Top Boss.
Big up
Seaview
June
Gardens.
20, Orlando. Big up June 20 for me, super hype. Orlando, just say June 20.
June 20, Orlando, Slingers family.
Get on the
whole
ticket.
Guyana link up in Miami, Florida. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, man, it's a load.
Big up the Up Top Boss. I just want to say thank you, my brother, for joining us, taking out time to be on the Sun Vibe show, the Scorching Saturdays right here, 104.9 FM. We know you're busy. We know you have shows. We know you're in between. You're traveling, you're doing your thing. But you still take out a few minutes to even talk to the radio station. So big up, enough respect.
Yeah, man, bro. God, I here, man. It's a pleasure, bro.
Sure.
God, you don't know, man.
Up Top,
yeah. Yourself, man.
Up Top Boss.
Yeah, man.
Peace.
Fully
August,
up top.
the album on drop, peeps. August, right?
Yeah, August.
Straight up. Peeps, the album is dropping in August, so look out for the album. Listen out. Make sure you get it. Make sure you stream it. The Up Top Boss, go follow him right now. Up Top Boss officially on the Instagram. Go find him right now. Peeps, you know how it is.
Follow me shadow too.
Enough respect. Everybody saying Rats to Riches, acapella, and them saying big up Chippy. So if I start to Chippy now. Chippy.
Yeah. Don't see a shop I spliffed. Sit down and go on all the vibes and the reminisce. Oh, the dog them when they are with me. I know. Now take no talk from none of them. Some more we are no brother. Much less my relative. Yo, Sun City. We not worry about no. As long as me got life, I'm doing okay. Doing alright. How are you? I am fine. Pick up youth, say where they come from. No, man can tell you about hard life. I'm doing okay. I am fine. Big up on yourself. Done.
Big up Teejay, the Up Top Boss people. Live on the Living Color right here, Sun City 104_9 FM. Make sure you follow us on the social media. Make sure you follow Teejay. Look out for the album in August. He has a lot of big tracks out there, peeps. And remember, the most important thing, all of this mix-up going on the internet. Teejay and ROMEICH are fine. He just dropped a new track with ROMEICH.
Yeah, man.
So look out for that. What's the name of that track with ROMEICH, Teejay?
Deeds.
People, brand new track with ROMEICH right now called Deeds. So look out for it. Big up ROMEICH, big up Teejay. Teejay got some new music going on. Teejay got new vibes going on. And you heard it from Sun City 104.9 first. This is an exclusive interview that, you know, nobody else has done so far. So, peeps, you don't know. Big up Sun City. That's my station. We did it. It's exclusive. Big up Teejay. Enough respect, my brother. Enough respect. 1,000%. We thank you. We thank you. Yeah, boss.
Yeah, man.
That's
Big
why
up the
you
fans
name
and the live
man.
same, bro. Yeah, man, you don't know.
Boss,
You know,
top.
see a straight Up Top Boss right now to bro. All the Teejay name. We would have just next time I go up on YouTube, you don't see no Teejay, nothing at all. Just Up Top Boss, I swear. Everything that change, you know, have to change sometime.
Have a change, man. Boss, the change, the change them are going.
Brother,
All of the
I'm
girls
in the
love the
next 4 years
changes.
right now, my age come and fall me knocking on my brother. I have pre-life like where I held sometimes because I young you feel super. Big changes in my life, boy, yeah, but.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the videos or the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.